Hello crafties, welcome to another video with my voice at the beginning. If you guys don't know already, my name is Infiniti and I'm the face behind all of the tutorials and videos on this channel. This project that I am introducing is called the Four Seasons Project. It is another painting project that I took on in my Design 2 class over my spring semester. So, I recorded these out of the order that I intended on uploading them, so excuse some of the tenses and language because I did say that this one was the fourth and final, but I'm going to be uploading this one first because winter comes first and that's just how it is. So without further ado, gonna let the video play. Enjoy! Hello crafties, welcome to another video. This is the fourth and final video for my Four Seasons project. Let's see, before we get started, last night I did this dripping over the canvas. I think it looks pretty. If you guys don't know, I am from Missouri, so this is winter. And no, what I'm gonna do is actually turn this canvas around. And I'm gonna drip from the opposite end now. And I'm going to do that with this blue that I've added some glitter medium to. It's not iridescent, but it's not metallic either. It's just glitter, white paint with glitter. And I think I'm just gonna kind of pour it. I don't think I want to take a brush to this really. And now I'm going to take a little silver, which has actually the texture, and it's going to run right off. My main goal here is to cover the canvas, maybe use my paintbrush if I need to, I guess. I suppose. Maybe. I don't know really what I want to do with this. Again, it's kind of on the spot, on like at the moment kind of thing. It's not, it's expressionism, not impressionism, but it's the best way I can describe it. So my my white paint and my blue paint, they both have some of that glitter paint medium in it, but my blue has a little silicone in it because I like to experiment. And so far, I'm not disappointed because I'm liking these cells that can be kind of reminiscent of snow. I love the snow and I do love the winter, and I think that it deserves this delicate kind of processing. That, and I just like, doing drip paintings and pours. None of them ever come out the same. Maybe I'll do the Four Seasons again next year, but differently. By then maybe I'll have like some different painting style or method, or maybe I'll do this, who knows. It's all about the adventure, the mystery. Yeah, my white has a lot of... I hope that did not get on my lens. It got on the camera, but not on my lens, which is good. the hazards of being a one-man show, you know. And I'm going to wipe that off my hand, wipe that off my camera. I don't need permanent splatters on my tutorial camera, you know? Sorry if you get to see my face. But yeah, I think we're good. Maybe I need to lessen the intensity of this light just a little bit. What I want to do now is actually bring back my black. And not get it on my camera or myself. Can I do it? Can I do it, guys? Now I'm going to take a brush to it because I want some white in here to make the gray kind of come back, but my white is so stubborn. Let's point that away from me this time. There we go. When I go to work today, they're going to be like, oh, what did you do? You know, I paint. But you can see maybe that the paint is separating, creating these cells. That's exactly what I wanted to do because I put silicone again in the blue just to see what it would do for a drip painting as opposed to a acrylic pour. And I have to say I am not disappointed. I'm just gonna keep pouring them. Oh, it's glittery, it's beautiful. It's actually sparkling. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, like it's just dazzling. I don't think the light helps. But it's, oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. As it moves down the canvas, it's just beautiful. I love paint. Yeah. So I'm gonna come back out because I did not. I got to the bottom of the cup and I think that leaving that a little opaque there is quite nice. Just gonna try to get a little more. And this is all before my morning coffee, so I do need to rush and drink my cup of joe for socializing. Do I want a little more white? I don't know. White's been stubborn for me today. Yeah. So, okay. That brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos or paintings would you like to see in the future. Be sure to go check out my other social media. Subscribe, follow, etc. It's all linked down in the description below. And don't forget to support the content if you can. I do have a coffee page, which is a digital it's a digital tip jar that is run and it's connected with PayPal, so all your donations and stuff are secure. And they don't take fees out of it, so I do actually get the money that you guys send out. And it would really help me out. It would help the channel out a lot. And until next time, guys, happy making.